Okay, today we're going to learn how to load the brush. If you ordered from us and you received a brush with your signature line or your logo, you might wonder why you have it or how to even use it. And this is going to tell you what to do. I've got my Photoshop CS5 open. I don't have anything else on the screen at this point, but I'm going to show you how to load the brush first. If you received it from me, you got it on an attachment for an email, and you need to open that up, pull your brush over to the desktop or somewhere where you can find it pretty easily. Make sure you remember where you save it, and hopefully you know where it is now. But click on Window. When you do that, you're going to get an option, Brush Presets. Okay? With your brush presets, don't pay attention to that. That's your size selector. I can show you that later. But what we need to do is come up here to this little option. Gives you a menu, and you want to load your brush. So you click Load Brush. I put my brush on the desktop, and there it is. Okay, so I've clicked it, I open it, and it's going to load it automatically for me. It's going to be down at the bottom of the list. It's right there. I've done this tutorial 3 times, and for some reason, I sound like I have the hiccups in the second time. The first time was for practice, and the second time I sound like a drunk. So third time, hopefully, is the charm. But anyway, when you click on that, it loads it automatically for you, and it's going to be ready to use, really. So we're going to come over here and open up a new screen, a new image, just plain old white. See, the brush is already loaded, and that's pretty awesome. Here's someone else's. But anyway, I'm going to step back off this. Okay, so you've got it loaded. Well, I'll go back to mine. And that's how you use it. You just use it as a stamp. But you think, well, it's yellow. Yeah, it is yellow. Okay. Let me show you something. Just going to add a new layer to my white background. This little thing here, you can do your brush in any color you want. And you can do it in any size you want, all the way up to 2500. Most of these are that large. Sometimes I don't do them quite that big, but most of the time I do. But that's where you change your size. You can change your size of your brush over here. You can change the size of your brush over here too, okay? So let's just do one at, let's just say 600 pixels. Do little tiny ones. Go back to the yellow. Squiggle, squiggle, squiggle. You don't want to do that. That's not pretty at all. Just one little pop, and you've got your signature. Any color you want, just by playing with the color select. All right, now I'm going to show you how to put it on a picture or photo. Let's close that out. I used to be a photographer a long time ago. I got kind of burnt out and decided to do this for a little while. It's a lot more fun for me. So I know I have a photo in here somewhere. Okay. I'll use these. Get that cutie patootie. He's got the prettiest eyes. So if I want to watermark this, just add a new layer. You don't ever want to put anything on the original, just in case you screw up and save it. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to use this option again. Make my brush a little larger. Oh, not that bad, Scotty. Yeah, that looks good. And you think, okay, what color do I want to use? Well, you can start by just using a color that's already on the photo. I'm busy. Sorry. Kids. Ugh. Okay, my Mac's running a little slow. Might be time for a new one. So on that layer, I used my color picker. I picked a color in his hair. There it is right there. And I'm just going to put it right there. And there's your cute little watermark. You can save it. That image. save as a JPEG, name it something totally different. Save it on the desktop. And it'll save it with the watermark on it. Okie dokie. This is Bodie. Say hi, Bodie. All right, I hope that helped. And if you didn't get any help from that, just shoot me an email. You can visit me, Pixel Polish, on Etsy and send me a combo. I'll do whatever I can to help you if possible. Sometimes I'm slow to answer my email because I have that